Hello children, welcome back to RamaKidz educational video. So children, I am back today with a new phonic sound. So are you all excited to listen to the new phonic sound? And today we are going to listen to the phonic sound of alphabet N. Okay, alphabet N. And what is the phonic sound of alphabet N? That is N. That is N. Okay. Let's see some words with alphabet N. So the first word is N for nail. Nail. You can see in the picture. This is also nail. Okay, it is used for hanging the things on the wall. N for nail. And even nails are part of our body. Okay, and it is on both the hands as well as our legs. Okay, N for nails. The next word is N for net. Net. You can see in the picture, net is used for catching fishes. The next word is N for nest. Nest. The birds live inside the nest and they lay eggs also inside the nest. You can see in the picture, the eggs are also there and the mama bird is protecting the eggs. Okay, that is N for nest. The next word is N for nose. Nose. Nose is a part of our body and it is a part of our face. N for nose. So let me see how many of you know which body part is called as nose? Yes, correct. This is nose. The next word is N for nut. Nut. Nuts are very healthy for our body. Kids should eat nuts which makes them strong. You all want to become strong and big, right? So you all have to eat some nuts every day. So children, in the next class, I am going to teach you the phonic sound of alphabet P. Okay, so I'll meet you soon with the sound of alphabet P. Till then, watch this video and you can practice this at home. Okay children, bye-bye everyone.